Hi guys, and welcome to Arlan Fix Stuff. So today, what I have here is a broken toys. This is belong to my son, and one day he just throw this away, and as you can see, there's missing one of the tire, and also this is came from this part, and some gears are flying from it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take what is worth that to salvage from these broken toys. And my son still play with this toy, but I'm afraid if some small part inside, like these gears, might get into his mouth, or kids that like to try to put anything to their mouth. But yeah, so I think I'm going to take all the part from the inside and just leave the body for him to play. So as far as I can tell, there's a lot of, not lot, but some part worth to take, like LEDs. This got LEDs, switch, and speaker. So yeah, let's get into it. So I have this container that I put all the things that I take from various electronic part, like this one is from webcam. Okay, oh, this is a webcam, non-working webcam. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but for now I just put this into this part, this box. And I do have some speakers, small screws, and capacitor, and yeah, anything. So because this gears is flying, so I'm going to save this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but maybe, who knows, maybe in the futures I might use it. So I just put into this container. And this plastic, I'm not really sure, but it's kind of cool. It got some reflection, so yeah, might be save this. So let's open this toys. Okay, all the screws are out. So I forgot to, oh, it still got battery in this. So this battery terminal are worth to take. You might use it for anything, I'm not sure, but it is worth to take. So I believe that's all the screws. So yeah, the body is, yeah, this is the top part, got nothing attached to it, so we're going to leave it aside. So let's see what we have here. We have a motor, and then LED, two LEDs, one speaker, and switch, and also the terminal that I want to take from it. So firstly, I'm going to take out the motor. So basically it needs some soldering to unsolder this, or maybe you can just rip like that. You can pull it hard, and then it's going to come off. So yeah, I'm going to take the motor first. Okay, this plastic, I might save it. It might be useful for some other project because of it used to hold the motor down. So yeah, this we call it motor or engine. So I'm not going to take my solder iron. I'm just going to pull this out just using my fingers. Yep, because the wire is thin, so thin that you can just put it out. Yeah, that's it. So one part has been taken out. Okay, and then alright, now I have taken apart all the part here. So as you can see, I have put it back all together, the body. And what I have taken out, I have a speaker, a motor, DC motor, or what you call this, and then a switch, 2 LEDs, a screw, a screw that hold all the part inside of the toys, not the screw on the toys here, because it's need to have a screw to hold the body in, and then a battery terminal. What I'm not take is this board, just this board. So yeah, basically I have take all the part except that one, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this part, but I might use it in the future, who knows. So yeah, it's just a waste to throw it away. So I think it's better to salvage it and use it in our next, not our, is my project in the future, or maybe I can fix another toys or whatever. So yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, please give a like and share, and also subscribe for more video. I see you again next time, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.